Welcome to Columbia Virtual High School's Introduction to Geometry class. To help you get started, we'll go through a tour of this Moodle page so you can see how it's organized. First, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Heather Lucenti, and I, along with Lee Candolino, will be your instructors for this course. My office hours are Wednesday and Sunday from 10 to 2. My email address is hdl2106@columbia.edu. My phone number is 518-555-1212, and my Skype address is heatherlucenti.columbia. Lee's office hours are Wednesday and Sunday from 2 to 6. Her phone number is 914-555-1213. Her Skype address is lee.columbia, and her email address is ltj2103@columbia.edu. Now let's begin our tour of your Moodle web page. This is the layout you'll see every time you log on. First, notice the images on the upper right-hand corner of your page. By clicking these links, you will be directed to our contact information. In the center of the page, you'll notice the word Announcements. This is where we will make any announcements that need to be made that day, including what may be due and what is upcoming. The left-hand side of the page includes the weeks. These are quick links to get to week 1, week 2, and so forth, depending on what week we are on. On the right-hand side of the page, you'll notice quick links to all of the assignments for the week. We're going to go through each of these individually so you get a better feel for the layout. To begin, let's click Week 1. Welcome to the introduction of Week 1. As you can see, our first unit will be circles. Our unit on circles will last 6 weeks long. Each week will have its own page and will be laid out just as this page is laid out. Notice the video file in the middle of your page. This video file represents the lecture part of your class. Depending on the week, these lectures can last anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes. The lectures are created using Prezi.com, which allows us to use videos, images, and screen capture to give you the best lecture possible. The lectures are also posted on YouTube so you can watch them on your mobile device, and we have also recorded the audio portion of the lecture as a podcast and posted it on iTunes. These links are included under the reading section of your web page. Next, let's explore each of the headings listed on the right-hand side of your page. We'll start with Reading. Under the Readings tab, you will find a list of links that are designed to aid you throughout the week. Objectives, readings, YouTube, podcasts, and extra help will be listed every week. Clicking Objectives will give you the learning goals for the week. By clicking Readings, you will be directed to the online text. You can either read it on the computer or you can print it out. By clicking YouTube, you'll find the link to our lecture so you can watch it on your mobile device. By clicking the podcast link, you'll be directed to the podcast that we posted on iTunes. Every week we will provide you with links that will give you extra help. These are not required. These are just to help you in case you need a little additional help. Some of these links will be on YouTube and some with other teaching sites that will help you better understand the lesson. Let's move on to the Homework tab now. Written homework will be due every Wednesday. These will take two forms. Sometimes there'll be a PDF file with written homework that you'll have to return in PDF format, and other times it will be a link to a site called QuizStar. Homework will be graded on a 5-point scale. You will get a 5 if you answer all the questions correctly. You will get a 3 if you attempt all of the questions, yet there are some minor mistakes, and you will get a 0 if you do not submit the homework. It's very important to get the homework in by Wednesday because the answer key will be available on Thursday mornings. Due to the nature of this course, there will not be a formal writing assignment posted on the discussion board. However, the worked answer for question number 1 on your homework should always be posted by Wednesday. You will not be able to see anybody else's answer until Thursday, when they will be unlocked to allow you to see how your classmates calculated their answer. You will also be able to use the discussion post to ask any general questions and discussions that you may have. Other students will be able to comment on every question that you post. These discussions will also be monitored by myself, Ms. Lucenti, and by Ms. Candolino. Remember, we are here to help. Every week a pre-quiz will be available for you to take. These quizzes are not a requirement of the course. They are to provide feedback to you to show you where you may need additional help, if any. To begin, click on the link listed. This link will take you to ProQuiz, where you can sign in and begin to take your quiz. Once you finish, a score report will automatically grade your quiz, and an answer key providing detailed solutions to all the problems will be automatically emailed to you. Under the Answer Key tab, you will find detailed solutions to all the week's assignments, so you can check your work and prepare for the pre-quiz and the quiz. Homework keys will be posted on Thursday mornings. Pre-quiz solutions will be available on Friday, but remember, they will be automatically available by email upon completion of the quiz. So if you finish your pre-quiz earlier in the week, you will have instant access to the worked solutions. Solutions to the quiz will be available every Tuesday. Keep these to use while studying for your unit exam, which will be given after week 6. You will have a quiz every week. Your quizzes will be given in the same format as the pre-quiz. The link to take this quiz will be available from Friday morning through Sunday at 9. Quizzes will be due every Sunday by 9 p.m. Every Tuesday morning, your formal grades will be posted under the Grades tab. If you have any questions about these, feel free to email us or call us or contact us through Skype. We understand this is a lot of information to absorb all at once. Don't worry, we are here to help you whenever you need us. Week 1 will be a little bit of a learning curve for all of us, but never fear, we will get the hang of it. A syllabus was provided in your email when you signed up for the course, and it is also provided again under the Syllabus tab, along with a worksheet to help you keep track of your assignments. Good luck in class, and again, don't forget,